Hello, my name is Gray, and I wrote a song called Baby Bird, and this song is about any older sister who is leaving their baby sisters behind, like going off to college or buying a new house, or even getting a new apartment, and leaving their little sisters back at home. My sweet baby bird, I know life can hurt. Don't fly too far away. I promise I am here to stay. I know I can be mean, but no, you're worth everything. It's time to fly and go explore the outside. I know I'm going far away, but I'll always be one call away. Oh, sweet baby, don't soar too far. I'll miss you laughing with your friends in the car. I know that this can be so hard, but don't you cry now. Don't cry now. Someday I'll be back on the porch. I'll see you standing at the door, your arms wide open, waiting for me. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. It's time to fly and go explore the outside. I know I'm going far away, but I'll always be one call away. It's time to go. Spread your wings, your beautiful soul so far from me. All these years I wish to repeat, to be a better sister. Oh, how I'm gonna miss her. It's time